Welcome back to Stampin' Sunday. My name's Emily and you've found Emilee's Paper Caper. Last week for Stampin' Sunday I stamped off the images on these Judykins rolling pin stamps, and then this week I have been coloring them in. I made this bookmark, which I think turned out really cute. I painted with some Lumen Art. These are little watercolor pods that you spritz with water and then paint with, and you won't be able to see this on camera, but they have a shine to them that's really pretty. So I made this bookmark. I made a scrapbook page border, and I also added a border to a junk journal, and I think it turned out really pretty. So today I thought I would continue to paint these, and then I will have them ready to use on my projects. I just have some paint water here, and I've pre-spritzed some of the paint pods. They take just a little bit of time to activate, so I spritz them. I'm just going to brush on some color. Because these are forgiving backgrounds, I'm not real worried about doing detailed coloring here. I just want to add some hints of color, and I think these will look really, really pretty. These Lumen Art pots I got at a garage sale a number of years ago. The lady sold me, I don't know how many pots of colors, but I have a lot of them, and I try to get them out every now and again. They're fun to use. Easy to use too. I started with some really, really light colors here, but we'll use some brighter colors on the next one. Let's try some pretty purple. Very bright. I'm not worried about being exact because I will cut these out. And they'll look great. Activate the Lumen Arts, I just have a bottle of water that I spray with. I want to try to make this a little bit darker. Okay, I'll set this aside to dry. I'll try a different one now. This one reminds me of leaves, so we're going to get out a couple different greens here. I like the color combination of these greens. It kind of makes it look like variegated or more natural with the multiple colors of green. Let's try some blues on this design. have some swimming pictures, and I think these blue colors would make nice borders for swimming pool pictures from this past summer. I'll use these on scrapbook pages for sure. I really wish you could see the sparklies that these create on the page. I think it's just a little too detailed to pick up on camera, but these dry with like a shimmer. I think that's why they're named Luminart, because they kind of illuminate a little bit. They're fun. This one looks like a brown. We'll try it. These kind of remind me of leaves. Maybe they'll look nice on a fall page. I think I need some bright oranges or reds for the leaves on these. We'll see if I have one. I don't have one out, but I will go look. Okay, this one is called Sunflower, and this one's called Coral Berry. I think those will be some nice colors for fallish. Next week for Stampin' Sunday, I'll show you what these finished borders look like, because I know they look a little messy now, but they will clean up beautifully. After I trim them out, I'll mount them on a paper scrap, and they'll really look pretty for page borders. These are still drying, but I think they're gonna look really nice. Be sure to check what everyone else is doing for Stampin' Sunday. Our hosts are Thelma Hall and Craftin' by the Pond. And everyone just comes on and shares what they're working on with their stamps and stamping projects. And it's really inspiring and encourages me, at least, to get my stamps out and use them. Keep on scrapping and paper crafting, everyone.